Still freezing at your desk? Gaiatop 500W space heater is the ultimate solution for quick heat, safety and comfort. Are you tired of waiting forever for your old space heater to warm up? Cold offices, chilly dorms, and freezing rooms are frustrating enough without dealing with inefficient heaters. You need something that gets the job done fast, and that's exactly where the Gaiatop 500W space heater comes in. With its advanced PTC ceramic technology, this compact heater heats up your space in just 2 seconds. No more waiting around in the cold, just instant warmth when you need it most. Safety is a huge concern with any heating device, but the Gaiatop heater has you covered. Unlike most traditional heaters that lack proper protection, the Gaiatop 500W comes with built-in 45 degrees tip-over protection and overheating protection, ensuring you can enjoy warmth without the worry. With its V0 class fireproof material, you can leave it on safely in any room or office. The combination of speed, reliability, and safety makes this heater a worry-free solution for your cold weather problems. What about size? If you're working in a small office or living in a cramped space, you need something that won't take up too much room. The Gaiatop heater is designed to be compact and portable, weighing just 0.99 pounds. Its sleek, space-saving design means it fits neatly on desks, shelves, or beside your bed without being obtrusive. You get powerful heating without sacrificing space, making it the perfect choice for smaller areas like dorms, apartments, and offices. In a world where energy savings are essential, the Gaiatop 500W space heater delivers exactly what you need. It heats your space quickly and efficiently while keeping your electricity bills low. This portable heater runs quietly, so you don't have to deal with loud, distracting noise while working or relaxing. The combination of quiet operation, energy efficiency, and effective heating means you stay comfortable while saving money on energy costs. The Gaiatop 500W space heater is built to last. Customers praise its durability, reliability, and long-term performance, making it a solid investment. Unlike cheaper alternatives, this heater holds up over time, providing consistent heat without the need for constant replacement. Whether you're using it daily or just when the temperature drops, you can count on the Gaiatop heater to keep you warm and comfortable for years to come.